Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's GNS Designs Custom Wraps. Today I got my buddy here from Detailing by D. His name's Darrel. He has a mobile detailing service, and what he does is he comes to you to detail your cars, trucks, semi, whatever you got. So D, tell us what you got.
Well, I got a couple different packages I can offer. I can do interior, exterior, or do both. I had the opportunity to work on this badass 2006 Mustang over the weekend. Customer wanted a hand wash and wax. I suggested going with buffing and also throwing a coat of ceramic on here as well, as you can tell by the LED lighting on how well this thing shines up. I also came in, cleaned up the white lettering here, put a nice shine to the tire, wiped down, polished up the rims as well. Now this time he did not want the interior done, but I have done the interior before on this as well. I can come in, I can clean up the leather here, vacuum the carpet, wipe down the doors, wipe down all the door jams, blow out your vents, also go in with some Q-tips and wipe out all the dust, clean up all the nooks and crannies, all within the center console. I can even pull the seats out too, get that nice and vacuumed, get it nice and shampooed, get the seats put back in there. I can also clean up the windows here too, because I know how bad they get fogged over, whether you're a smoker or you're not. Alright. One of the other services I do offer is I can come in, clean up the engine bay as well too, because I know how some people like their cars. You know, they like it clean, get that done for you. I can also do pick up, drop off. I can come to your house, knock the car out right there for you, so you don't have to go anywhere. You can enjoy your day at home while I take care of your vehicle for you. Alright guys, you can check me out on my social media. Facebook is Detailing by D. Instagram is Detail by D, or you can reach me at my email address, detailbyd@gmail.com, or give me a call, 815-302-4997. Catch you guys in the next video.